One important thing when you're installing any Schlage lock is to make sure you engage the tabs on either side. And what you have to do is slip it in here. And once it's engaged, it will retract the latch. One of the most common mistakes I see all the time is people will engage that part. See, they engage down there. They're not engaging the tabs. So the tabs are not engaged. So you have to make sure you engage the tabs all the way in there. And I see a lot of lockouts where they just put that in and they wonder why they got problems. I'm over exaggerating. See right there, it's pretty easy to do. It's not correct. The other mistake they make is they misalign the door, and they got this close to the end, and the door slamming and slamming, and this whole thing becomes disengaged. And then, you know, people can turn the key, and the door won't retract the latch. That's a kind of a severe lockout. It's mostly on hollow metal doors where they just over-tighten the screws, and this is out of alignment, and it just falls off, or it just becomes jarred loose, and then everything's turning, but it's not engaging the latch. So again, it's a simple thing. Hope you enjoyed this quick little video. Have a good day.
I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Subscribe to my channel. Also, visit my website and you can see what online locksmith training I have for beginners, intermediate, and advanced, as well as my covert methods of entry and my non-destructive methods of entry.